Hey guys, Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. So I got a patient today coming in for both feet, very cold, and he need to wear thermal socks and put heat pack on the feet every day. In the last 2 weeks, he couldn't actually walk out of the house because it's too cold. The cold will get his feet tingling, numbness, and pain. So he walked in today for the shoulder problem. So I treat the shoulder problem, and then I went to treat his leg to warm it up using burning mountain fire acupuncture technique. So in the beginning, he didn't actually feel the burning warming sensation, but in 20 seconds, something like that, and then he can feel the warming sensation in the feet. Okay, let's watch this video. Okay, now try to feel. Do you feel any cold or warm from the needles?
No difference, no.
No different. Okay. Nothing?
No, it's all gone.
You don't get. You still feel the pressure?
Yeah, just.
Not getting warm?
Yeah.
Nothing, eh?
I think my toes have got warm.
Your toes get warm now. Where is? Which one?
Big one.
Getting warmer?
Yeah,
Without the heat pad?
I think so.
Good. Just on one side? Your left, your right, right?
Yeah, my right toe.
So that's from the needle here.
Shut. Magic.
Magic. Okay.
I need you every day.
But do you feel the warm from the needle here? You can't feel it in here, but you feel it on your toes.
No, not really.
Just on your big toes?
Yeah.
Okay, not here.
No.
Okay. Is the warm go to other toes?
Yeah, I think it's going right through every toe now.
Go to every toes now. Just on the right side.
Yeah.
Good. Just one needle. Make it warmer. Okay.
Magic, eh?
You tell me. I'm not the one who feel the warm. You are the one who feel the warm. I'm the one who holding the needles.
It's good.
That was amazing, right? So if you want to learn more, follow my Facebook page, and we have workshop in Malaysia and New Zealand. New Zealand will be in September, and Malaysia is this end of this month. So if you want to join our workshop, I'm going to Australia next year, and probably Europe next year, and America next year, and a lot of workshop in China next year. So if you want to learn more, or you want to learn the technique, so follow me and you can contact us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.